Hello wonderful students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. This was one of the dermatology questions asked in the INI mock exam in Cerebellum app. So try to answer this in the comments if you know it.
Alopecia totalis, please remember it is loss of the scalp hair, total loss of the scalp hair. So 1 is B. Alopecia universalis, just like vitiligo universalis, alopecia universalis is the loss of the hair over entire body. So it is D. Ophiasis, it is loss of the hair along the scalp margins. So it is going to be A. Ciscypho pattern is exactly opposite to that of ophiasis pattern, where there is going to be loss of this central portion with sparing of the sides of the hair. So we can say it is C. So BDAC, which is the option, it is option D, which is the correct answer. So these are the images which you are able to see. This is the patient who is having alopecia universalis, loss of the scalp hair, and also rest of the hair is also lost. This is a patient of alopecia totalis. You can see eyebrows are still normal. And this is the ophiasis pattern where the scalp sides are going to have the hair loss. And this is the exact opposite of ophiasis where there is going to be sparing of the margins of the hair and there will be loss over the top part of the scalp.
So that's it students, I hope it was helpful. Please do hit that like button if you have enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such awesome videos on a daily basis, and try to answer this next question which was asked in the GT in the comment section.